Добрый день! In this video we're going to discuss how to talk about frequency. You learn how to say how often you do things. So to ask a question, как часто ты ешь мясо, как часто ты ходишь в магазин. And now we're gonna look at how to answer questions like that. And for that we need to review cases, падежи. I know it's your favorite, падежи, падеж, падежи, cases. So in Russian 111 you learned about 4 cases out of 6. В русском языке 6 падежей. In the Russian language there are 6 cases. В русском языке 6 падежей. 4 падежа. You already know 4 cases. And what is a case? A case is a change that you make to a word or phrase based on the meaning that you wanted to express. So in English, we use word order to help us express the meaning. In Russian, word order is flexible. It's not fixed like in the English language. It's flexible, so that doesn't help. What does help is the endings of words based on the meaning that we want to express. So at the end of Russian 111 we summarize the uses of cases, and that's what you need to be doing with cases to make sense of them. You need to be creating lists of situations when you need to use every case. And between those situations there might or there might not be any connection at all. It's just a list of bullet points when you need to use a particular case. And in this class we're going to add more uses to these cases, and we're going to cover the remaining 2 cases. So let's review. Nominative case, names, nominative, nombre, names, people and things, usually used in the subject position of the sentence, which can or cannot be at the beginning of the sentence in Russian. Answers the questions who or what, кто, что, and then what happens to those words? Nothing. We take them straight out of the dictionary. We don't change anything. We don't add any endings. Dictionary form. That's the nominative case. Very simple. You looked up a word in the dictionary, you already have nominative case. Then in Russian 111 we learned the prepositional case. And the one situation that you know for it is with prepositions вы, она, depending on the word that you use after it. To talk about location, to answer the question where, где. So you need to have 2 conditions met, both these prepositions and the meaning of location, to be able to use the prepositional case. And what do you do with the words? Well, the word that goes after вы, она in this position will have ye ending for most nouns. Iya words change to ii after these prepositions. Soft sign words change to E or EU foreign words do not change. Then we learned accusative case. And accusative case has several uses. We use it when in English you have direct object. So when you have a word that answers the questions whom or what, кого, что. And then we also use it when we talk about days of the week, but not when you name them. Monday is my favorite day. Понедельник мой любимый день. Not like that. Not in the subject position, понедельник. But when you add в to mean on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. So when in English you're thinking on plus a day of the week, that's when in Russian that day of the week will go into accusative case. Then we talked about destination. So here we had в, она plus location. And here we have the same вы, она, but plus destination, not where, not где, but куда, where to you want to go, you want to move, and so on. And now in this unit we're going to add a new use, time expressions. When you say how many times a day, how many times a week, a year, an hour, a minute you do something. And also when you talk about how often you do something, and you want to say every week, every day, every year I go there or I do something. And the changes are like this. A changes to u, ya to you, everything else stays the same. I'll see you in the next video.